Good morning! Welcome to Waggy's Travels. We are just about to board the Tor Point ferry.
Turn left onto A374, then board the ferry.
There you go. I wasn't lying. I didn't see which ferry we're going on to. We're going on to that one.
The only one that's here.
The only one that's here.
Well, this side.
Which is this side of the water. So, our action plan for today is we've got no idea. We are we're enjoying this wonderful weather we've got all of a sudden. So where are we going? Oh, I think we might go into lane B. Yeah, so our general action plan for today is we're going to go and collect a wardrobe.
No, we're not. It's not a wardrobe.
No, it's not a wardrobe. We're going to go and collect a chest of drawers. And then we're going to go out somewhere. So just telling the man where our tag is. Brilliant, thank you. Yeah, we've got low balance.
Can you just say that? Why does he need it on a...
Just in case we couldn't understand him.
Oh.
So the man just showed a little text that says low balance. But I know there's £18 on there, £14 on there. Anyway, we're probably going to go to a lake somewhere because we were going to go to a lake the other day, but the weather was horrible and foul and we didn't, did we?
No, but we've woken up in a different universe today.
Yeah, it's sunny. It's really sunny. Let me show you what we're doing. So this is our current view. Our current view on the Tor Point ferry. Good morning.
Afternoon.
Afternoon.
It's working now.
Yeah, welcome to Waggy's Travels. We're out and about locally again. We are at Colliford Lake and we're on the dam. So here's the dam. Hang on, let's just turn around. There's the lake. There's the dam control room.
That's not so pretty, is it?
No, it's not.
It's like something from the 1960s. That's a Blake Seven sort of prop,
As I say,
isn't it?
this is sort of like a James Bond prop, isn't it? Where he gets to the middle there and all the lake drains and the moon base alpha appears. But look at that.
It's rather beautiful.
It's gorgeous, isn't it? Anyway.
How far does it go over there?
It's huge, Colliford Lake. It's got 3 car parks, but
Right.
no campsite, as
No.
far as I know.
And look, I've not worn the right shoes.
Look what she's wearing.
I'm not walking day today, I'm afraid.
Anyway, we're going to see if I can get the drone up.
Oh my God.
I'm going to see if I can get the drone up without slicing my finger off. Where's the sun? Sun's there to do that. Yeah. See if it works. It can only go wrong or badly wrong. One of the two. Back in a moment.
Oh, can't look that way.
Oh, can you not look that way?
Well, yeah.
Yeah, do that. Do it this way.
So turn around.
Come this way. So,
There's the sunshine. Oh,
no, we've I've basically not done any walking.
no. I did some walking by myself.
She did some walking by
I
herself.
made some friends.
I've just tried to fly the drone.
Well, it took ages and ages to get the drone to speak to, so I decided to wander off.
So anyway, I have got the drone to talk to me and to work. However, it was only a cheapy drone, and it decided while it was probably 100, no, probably not that much, probably about 60 feet up in the air, that it just wasn't going to listen to the word that I wanted it to do. And it's a good job I hadn't actually put it out over there. I'd sort of kept it on the land, and I just pushed the return to home button, and it didn't return to home. It just decided it was going to land, come straight down and land where it wanted to.
I wasn't here, obviously. I was talking to some dog walkers.
Yeah, so might have to do a bit of homework, I think, to find out if it's operator error or drone error. But the drone is, compared to other people's drones, ridiculously light. So I'm wondering, there is absolutely no wind about today and it was just everywhere.
Can't you put little ballast sort of weights on it. Yeah.
I'll show you the footage that I took, and you'll see it's absolutely blowing everywhere.
You can see it's quite windy because you can see all the water moving.
Yeah, but it's not, I mean, it's not. That's just from where the water is going down into the pumpy area thing, I think. But
They built this actually. I was talking to those people.
yeah,
It's 8.5 miles around.
Yeah.
So it's a slightly bigger, well, much bigger lake than the last one we went to,
which was,
Sibley Back Lake.
yeah.
And they built it after the Great Drought of '76.
1976.
Yes.
Oh, I didn't know that.
So it was built in the 80s because in the Great Drought of '76, Cornwall ran out of water. So Sibley Back Lake dried up,
Yeah.
and so they realised that they needed more water.
Oh,
So hence they built this one. And of course, it's rained ever since 1976. It was a one-off. There we go. But it's still a nice thing to come and have a look round. So I just wondered where they got the water from. So I did ask the dog walkers, and they don't know. They don't know. I don't know if this is just a natural collection of water over time.
I wonder if it was actually fed in, because we're not very far from Goliath Falls, and I'm assuming that it would have been fed in from.
Yeah, it's a huge body of water to have just amassed by raining. I know it rains a lot here, as we found out.
Are you saying it's wet in Cornwall?
Yeah. So I did say to the dog walkers that Cornwall is, I just thought of it for beaches more than anything, and you know, and Truro basically. I'll be controversial, why not? As a town to visit. But yeah, there are some other beauty spots that are not next to the sea. So.
Had you had the right footwear on, we could have walked all around this.
Not in 8.5 miles. I couldn't. Not today. No.
Not in them. Not in them.
Not in anything. It's too late in the day.
We'll do it at some point.
Yes, I'd love to do it.
And the pub that isn't open.
Yeah, see, the pub is halfway. So if you walk the 4 miles to the pub, and you walk the 4 miles back again, you've literally walked around the lake, haven't you?
Yeah. Well, you just carry on going, don't you?
Well, no, because it's 4.5, isn't it? So.
Yeah, 4.5, and then carry on and do the other 4.5, or 4, whatever it is.
Well, maybe.
Anyway, this is Colliford Lakes. We're going to go and have a look around the other car park, I think, see if we can find out what it's like around there.
But it's pretty chilly.
It is. Right.
It is still only February. And
nearly March.
It is nearly March. Yeah.
Back in a minute.
Okay.
Hello. Welcome to our front room. We didn't actually go to the other car park because the weather turned
Well,
cold, didn't it?
It did get really cold very quickly as soon as the sun went in. And I did have bare feet. Well, not bare feet, but you know what I mean. I just had sandals on.
Wrong footwear, didn't we?
I had the wrong shoes from it.
Yeah. So we did. We had a little look around.
We definitely go back.
Oh yeah, we did.
We need
will.
no. What I mean is we need to go back and film us going all the way around it. Really.
All 8.5 miles, but not doing that until the pub's open. Sorry and everything. It's not that I want to drink. It's just that I want to stop halfway around.
Yeah, picnic time.
Yeah. Talking about drink. Look, she's not got a drink in her hand. It's terrible. What?
No,
Where is it?
I haven't got one.
She has. Anyway, yeah, so we didn't do the 8.5 miles. I did fly the drone. I'll stick some footage up somewhere here. It's a bit bumpy, as you can see. It was everywhere. And I've just found
I think his drone is afraid of heights.
Yeah.
I think if it went 60 feet up, I think it was desperate to get back down.
It was like, let me back down!
I don't like it.
So, I was not impressed. I
I think you're just trying to use it as an excuse to buy a more expensive one.
No, I'm not going to buy an Onyx because I've just
That's
found
all
out.
I kept hearing is you saying it was only a cheap one. So I was waiting for the, is it alright if I buy one?
The thing is, I've just found out you've now got to take a test, which when I bought my drone, you didn't have to because it's only tiny. But now you've got to take a test if you want to fly your drone anywhere near people, which...
I have to say, I did feel quite nervous. I did keep asking who,
which direction?
where should I stand so you don't hit me with the drone?
Which direction is it going to go?
So I would have felt better if you'd taken a test or kept the drone in the box, personally.
Yeah, well this time, look, I've still got my finger.
Yes, we have to remember that if you didn't see that last time we went out with the drone, blood was involved, and I didn't want it to be mine.
That was at Sibley Back, wasn't it? Yeah.
Yes.
Mind you, she did say to me, as if you've watched the video, don't fly the drone, it's too windy. I was like, no, it's not, I know what I'm doing. But obviously I didn't. So.
Yeah.
Anyway, it was lovely today. The weather's been absolutely gorgeous in Cornwall. As you said at the opening of the video, we've woken up in a new universe. But when the sun disappeared behind the clouds, it was cold very quickly.
Yeah.
It was cold very quickly.
I very much needed a hot cup of coffee when I got home.
Yeah.
So,
As opposed to a cold bottle of beer. I want to know where she's put it. She's going to show that. If not, I'll get up and walk around and find. Where is it?
what?
The bottle of beer.
What, this bottle of beer, which is non-alcoholic.
It's not an alcoholic. This is one of them we reviewed.
Oh, yeah. Well, we had a visitor today who thought I was drinking white wine with my lunch, and I was drinking white wine with my lunch, but it was non-alcoholic. And she said, "What's the point?" So I said, "Well, just that you can have a glass of wine with your lunch, and stay awake in the afternoon." So I let her try some, didn't I?
Yeah.
And she's a convert. She said it was absolutely lovely.
We've just got down the left now. Anyway, that's it for today's video. That was
Excuse me.
Colliford Lakes. Only a few weeks to go before the bus goes in for conversion, when the bus then becomes a van. And we're going to show you the journey. We're going to show you the journey for us getting there, going in. We're going to meet the converters. We'll hopefully put together a whole video of the journey there and the conversion, the before and after, which I hope people find interesting. And then our adventures can start.
I'm not going to be in that then.
Why?
Well, because I'm going to be in the car behind you.
Yes, but you'll be there once we get to the factory, won't you?
Oh my God, you'll have to listen to him for 4 hours.
You won't.
We will. It'll take us a little while to get there, won't it?
It will do. It will
Because
do.
we're coming from Cornwall and it takes forever to get anywhere from Cornwall.
Anyway, that was side. That will be an upcoming video of the bus conversion. On a serious note, if you are planning to come to Cornwall, a bit of advice is make sure you book. I have tried numerous campsites locally just to take the van to when we get it back, and they're all booked solid. If you haven't already booked for the main 6 weeks holiday period, I can't see you getting anywhere. It is just ridiculous, absolutely ridiculous. There is no pitches anywhere. Grass, hard standing, electric, non-electric. Even CL sites, where I would normally quite happily go on to, CL sites are chock solid as well. So, and from what I can see, Cornwall Council are really clamping down on motorhomes and camper vans stopping anywhere in their car parks, because they've started to stick height barriers absolutely everywhere.
Lots of gates and
Lots
fences.
of gates and fences. So anyway, thanks for watching this. sorry that we didn't go into the last car park, weather just turned, so hence our 7 minutes of waffle now. So thanks for watching, please like, subscribe, and
Ring the bell for notifications.
excellent.
I'll tell you what, it's too off pack now, isn't it?
It is. Have a good evening. Bye for now.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye.